yeah, guys. So if you wanna, this is another way you can adjust your default output on your headphones or speakers or etc. Just right click the audio icon, open sound settings. Make sure this is on your default device. So if you want speakers to be default, change it to that, or headphones, whatever you're using. Make sure they're all plugged in. And if you want to adjust it so that certain sounds come from certain apps, so you go onto advanced, and here all your stuff that's been played, you can change the default outputs. So here you can have speakers for OBS, for example, in this case, and everything else for your headphones or other way around, whatever you choose and whatever you need. And that should fix most of your problems. If it don't,